Well, I feel the most crucial is the most obvious. There is an issue with quantity of water, and it's not something which is increasing, so it's a depleting resource, and all of us need to be conscious about it. And as we know, when the water quality, with the water quantity goes down, the water quality also suffers, and that is where our role comes in, trying to make sure that the quality of water which people drink is up to the acceptable standards. In a number of ways. The first way in which we do mitigate climate change is the direct way by reducing carbon emissions when somebody drinks safe drinking water out of a Pureit device. As you know, Pureit does not require any running water or electricity, and that itself saves a lot of carbon dioxide. We've done some rough calculations on what Pureit does, and we find that each liter of water which comes out of a Pureit device emits about 8 grams of carbon dioxide, as against roughly 50 grams which is emitted if you boil 1 liter of water, and probably 60 to 70 grams when you drink 1 bottle of packaged mineral water. So I think a significant contribution to mitigation of climate change with Pureit. I think the issue is so large and the problem is so complex that no single organization can succeed on its own, and everybody will have to sort of pull in, whether it's governments, civil societies, private organizations. Everybody has to do their bit. Government, of course, have the leading role in terms of setting the agenda, setting policies, helping people to work properly towards that cause. Companies like ourselves are contributing to the cause in a number of ways, not only through Pureit, but also through having programs like sustainable living plans, where we try to, while we do our business, we try to do it more responsibly and by leaving a smaller carbon footprint on this earth. So I think it's very important for all stakeholders to work together on this. Significant role. I mean, I would say that the business leaders of today are, with no disrespect, are very different from business leaders of yesterday. And when people could be really focused only on business and not bother about anything else, most of the business leaders today are significantly aware of the impact that they leave on the society. Doing good by doing well by doing good is not only a phrase but also a way of life in many organizations. So I think business leaders have a particular role whereby they can lead by examples, they can sensitize the society around them, and their own companies can become more and more conscious of the importance of a green living.